All right, good morning, everyone. Louis Sports, LinoManoverMarket.com, and no, this is E-mini morning call for November 11th. November 11th. I'm sorry, November 4th. I keep thinking of November 11th. It's my brother's birthday, and it's also Veterans Day. All right, so take a look at this. Let's start from the top. Our top of the value is 2015 half. 2015 half. Okay, we've got the lower value sit at 2010. We should have the point of control, which I put in there. Did it show up? We've got the point of control at 2012 and a quarter. 2012 and a quarter. I don't know why it's not on there. I'm going to have to recheck my chart, but it's 2012 and a quarter. And then, I'm sorry, we got the Globex high up here. All right, so we got 2013.75, 2013.75, the blue line. Okay, and these are so yesterday on a 4 hour chart we had drawn these lines 214, 212 half. Those were our resistance. We had support at 208, which earlier was support most of the day. We've gone down to we said got to put a lot of volume this morning at 207. That's the bottom of the IB range for London, 207. And also the Globex high is the top of the IB range for London. So got S1 at 206, okay? And then we put a low in this morning at 204 and a half, 204 and a half. So, once again, we're at that area that's 204, and we still got a bunch of single ticks over here. So when I bring in this chart, we still have these single prints we've been talking about. That takes you down to 2000, and then on the other side of them from 97 down to 93. Let me do this market profile. Let's receipt sell data. So here's our mode, and looks like we have more volume sitting up here. So volume here and time here. So this looks like a bearish scenario to me. If we split it here, okay, that's where we're at. Let me go and split this. So that's the day session from yesterday. So, ultimately, of course, we put our high in yesterday, and I think that we have to. I think we're in a sell rally mode. Our 5 minute pivot was violated right here about 4 a.m. and it went down and and at 4 a.m. We were at 2009 and we've gone down and we made a 2004 half. So obviously the key is the pivots up here at 2010 half and the bottom of value is 2010. Now remember, I said something yesterday on the video that we get to the point because as we get to closer to an expiration or we start getting the rollover and so on, I know we're a bit ways out. The 5 minute pivot sometimes gets more sensitive, and we'll have a fake out there in the day. But I'm just cautioning you to that. So that's why sometimes like yesterday, it worked. It shorted us down at the bottom. It went all the way to the top, 2019, didn't take it out, and then went all the way back down. So we got to be a little, use the pivot with other things that you're looking at when it comes to support and resistance. That's the best way to use the pivot. Okay? All right. So I'm still looking for the retracement. I mean, if they got the retracement, I will get on board with you and get long and take this thing up to 2030, 2050, wherever you want to take it. But it needs to build more of a base. It's logically now that this 2004 seems to be where we're getting having a battle between the bids and the offers, and we've kind of bottomed out there a couple times now. So when they do take it out, though, I think we will get down to that 1993 area where it takes all the single prints out. So, like I said, I'm a seller. I'm still a seller till they take these single prints out. But I'm gonna, you know, be looking for good places to sell and entrance. Think in the morning commentary, uh, Pat Pat's looking for the market to try to test the top of value before we break. So that may be a scenario that happens. We'll give you a bunch of them. Bull bear zone is down here at 2001 at 2001, and that's what we're getting right now. So we're going to get in a little bit of a range. I think you're going to have resistance here at 9 1/4. I mean, sorry, 9.5, 12 1/4, and 15. All right, and 9.5 ended up post market was a lot of volume was put on, and that's where we broke from. And then 12.5 ended up being the day's mode yesterday, like we said, 12 1/4. So that's what I'm giving you for today. I'll be back for the midday update, and hopefully the market doesn't sit and trade slowly. We get some volatility and get a good trade. All right, everybody. Louis Porcelino, ManoverMarket.com, and see you at the midday update. Bye.